Are you looking to unpack your toothbrush, throw on your swimsuit, and start enjoying the lake life? Hi, I'm Ron Dodge with RE/MAX Lake of the Ozarks and LodoLiving.com. If that's the case, my new turnkey listing in Sunset Palms is perfect for you and your family. Let's take a look around. Fall in love with this beautifully decorated and appointed Sunset Palms condo. This complex simply has the most convenient and best layouts on the quiet side of the lake. Notice the difference as you pull into the private gated community with elevators from your condo and clubhouse to pools and docks. The open floor plan has 9-foot ceilings throughout. This beautifully decorated condo gives you that lake life feeling as soon as you step in the front door. Except for a very few exceptions, what you see is what you get with this condo. This turnkey unit was professionally decorated and updated in 2022. You will love the large pool with expansive deck and hot tub that makes for the perfect place to relax all day long. Captain Ron's is only a few minutes away by land and water. Sit on your huge screen deck with family and friends and watch the world-famous shootout from the comfort of your own place. It doesn't get any better than this. A 10 by 28 slip is included. This condo won't last long. Make it yours.